Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you guys how to set up a BuyGoods campaign with CPV Lab. So the first thing we need to go ahead and do is add a offer source first. So we're going to go ahead and click the offer sources tab on the left hand column and then click on offer sources. So we're going to go ahead and add BuyGoods. So to the right we're going to see import from catalog, and I'm just going to go ahead and click this button, and I will go ahead and scroll down until we find BuyGoods. So once we find it, we can go ahead and click on the icon here, and then we can just go ahead and scroll down and then save. So now we're going to go ahead and head over to BuyGoods. And once you log in, you will see a campaigns tab, and we're going to go and click on this tab here. And then we'll be able to scroll down and see a whole bunch of different offers that we can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and use LipoZim as an example here. You will need to apply for some offers and get approved before you're actually able to edit the affiliate links. So once you are approved for your campaign or affiliate offer, you can go ahead and click on the Manage Account button. And then we can go and scroll down and look for the offer that we're going to promote. So I'm going to go ahead and click on LipoZim. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit further, and we're going to see two different links here. One is a video sales letter, and the other one is a text sales letter. So I'm going to go with the video sales letter because I think it might convert better, but we need to test it. So I'm just going to choose this for now. So I'm going to copy this link and then go back to CPV Lab. I'm going to go ahead and click on scroll down and click on the LPs and offers tab, and then click on offer management. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and add LipoZim as a name, and then add the affiliate network. And then the payout is about $140. So here we're going to go ahead and paste in our link, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the sub ID button here, and it should automatically insert the sub ID for us, including the parameter. So now we can go ahead and save, and our affiliate link is properly set. So now we're going to go ahead and create a new campaign with our new offer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the campaigns tab in the left-hand column, and then click on new campaign or add new campaign. So we're going to be using a landing page. So I'm going to go ahead and click direct link and landing pages, and then click on advanced setup. So for the campaign name, I'm just going to use example as an example name. And the rest of the settings can pretty much be default here. We could add a tracking domain, but it's not required. So to the right, we're going to see tracking settings, and we're going to go ahead and select the data options drop-down menu. And then I'm going to select all. And then we can set an engagement rate. So an engagement rate basically just shows how long the user has been on the page. So I'm going to go ahead and set this for 3 seconds. And we're going to leave everything else here at default. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the macros and tokens section. So now in the macros and tokens section, we're going to go ahead and select the traffic source by clicking the traffic source drop-down menu. And then we're going to go ahead and select propeller ads for this example, and select a CPC of 1 cent or 1 penny. So from here, we're going to go ahead and select the token. So token 1, we're going to select as device name. And then we're going to add our second token by clicking on the plus sign here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the second token, which will be the campaign ID. And I'm going to go ahead and add a few more tokens, and then we will continue with the campaign. So now we're going to go ahead and scroll down and go to the landing pages section. So we're going to add a page here. Now we're going to go to the offers section, and we're going to see an area that says select predefined offer. And we're going to go ahead and select this drop-down menu, and then look for the offer that we created earlier. So we're going to go ahead and click on this offer, and then we'll leave everything here at default. And And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and save the campaign.
So in order to set the Postback URL, it's going to be really easy. All we have to do is scroll down towards the bottom of the page. And then we're going to look for the Postback URL. So we can see specific Postback URL, server to server pixel for BuyGoods. And we're going to go ahead and just copy this by clicking on the copy icon. And then we're going to go ahead and go over to BuyGoods. And we're going to go ahead and click on our username towards the top right hand corner. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Postback Pixels. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and go to Add New. And we can go ahead and paste this pixel right into the URL section, or our Postback URL into the URL section. And then we can leave the status on active and event to purchase, then save the campaign. And then we are ready to go.
Now everything is successfully set, and we're going to go ahead and just edit the tracking links. So now we're going to add our tracking link and tracking pixel to our page. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down until we find the link and pixel section. So now in the link and pixels area here, we're going to go ahead and go to the step 1 edit links from landing pages area. And we're going to go ahead and copy this link here. So now we're going to go ahead and go to our HTML file. So now we need to add this link to any button or element on the page that we'd like to take the user to the affiliate offer page with when they click. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the image here, our button. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to CPV Lab and copy our step 2 code. And then go back to our HTML file here and paste this pixel right above the closing body tag here. So we can see the closing body tag is right here. So we're going to go ahead and paste this code right above this and then save our page. So once it's saved, we're going to go ahead and go back to our campaign. And now everything is set successfully. So we can go ahead and copy the campaign URL and use this campaign for our add our traffic source.